Hello and welcome to another video from Olympus. My name is Lewis and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use a HDR function that's built into your OMD camera. HDR stands for High Dynamic Range and it will take multiple pictures at once at different exposure levels and then composite them automatically to give you one high contrast image. HDR is best used in environments where there is no motion whatsoever. It will save the motion blur when it stacks the images together, so perfect for landscapes. So let's take a deep dive into the menus and we'll show you how to get it activated on your camera. If you hit the menu button, go to Shooting Menu 2 on the top left and then go to HDR. You'll see there that you have HDR1 and HDR2. HDR2 is a super high contrast image, as you can see here. HDR1 is a much flatter image. Once you've got this activated, simply press the shutter button once to come away from the menu, point it at your subject, and then when you fully press, you'll see it will take 4 photographs at various different levels and stitch them together, and you are left with the one JPEG image. This isn't available in RAW because of course it has to go through some compression and processing just to be able to merge all the photographs together. You see, I like to use it on this image here where the foreground is a little bit darker than the background. Typically you would lose detail in the darker shadows of this area and in the brighter highlights of the sky. But if you merge them together, you get a nice kind of strong contrast image that's got all the detail in both the shadows and the highlights. So there we go, that's HDR in a nutshell. I hope that's been clear enough for you and I hope it's inspired you to take some photographs. Thank you for watching, thank you for learning with Olympus, and hopefully we'll see you on the next one.